Okay, great. So here is a recording for how to write an informal letter on your IELTS writing task one. Okay. So as we had discussed earlier, in writing a formal letter, you will start with a dear sir or a dear madam. But in this case, because you're writing letter to somebody who you already know and it's purely informal, you can simply start with the person's name. So let's say if I'm writing to my colleague Kunal, so I'll say, dear Kunal, colleague, sorry, friend, because it's an informal letter, friend, I can directly start with hope you are doing well. All right. In case of an informal letter, remember, in case of a formal letter, remember, I'd asked you to start with your purpose. But in this case, just directly go ahead and start with hope you are doing well because you know this person, you're inquiring about the person's health. I've always told you guys, in case of a letter, your tone is very important. Your tone is what gets you, a good marks in your actual this task. So you need to make sure that whatever you're writing, the tone should actually sound proper when somebody would actually go ahead and read your task. So hope you're doing well, and you can simply go ahead and jump into the first bullet point. Okay. All right. So let's say the first bullet point, Sonal, how would you explain the travel plans here?
Are you asking me?
Yes.
Hmm. I was thinking to visit your place, your country. Uh,
It's a casual letter, right? You can start with, I've
okay.
decided on my next holiday destination and luck, and as luck may be, okay, you can say as luck be it, I've decided to come to France.
This
That's
month I'm getting some vacation from my company, so I want to spend that time with
vacation
you.
from my company. I don't think that's the right word. I have
Sorry.
some leave coming up and I've
Okay.
decided to take a vacation to France.
Okay. I
All
want to
right.
spend, yeah.
And you can then elaborate it a little bit. You can say that, I plan to come. So travel plans, you can include like, the dates that you're visiting. So, I'm going to start my travel from March the 15th, 2021, and it will be a 2 week long trip, which will conclude by my return flight on this day. So I'll be visiting these places during that time. That's what you can say. Okay.
It was my dream to visit Eiffel Tower, so I think this is the right time
That could
to.
be the second point because that's interesting places you plan to visit.
Okay.
All right, this is just your travel plan. So talk about the plan. So I'm going to, let's say if I'm planning a trip to Western Europe, or let's say, yeah, Western Europe, I want to do three countries. I want to do France, I want to do Germany, I want to do Netherlands, right? So I can say I'm planning to start my travel from India on March the 15th, would be traveling to France and then going to Germany from there on this date, and then going to Netherlands, and then from there my return flight is on this date. That will be
This
under
is
your travel plan.
this is something kind of
Yeah, and that's why it's
itinerary,
called a
right?
travel plan, right? So you can talk about your travel plans in this case. All right.
Okay.
Then describe the interesting places you plan to visit. All right. Here's where you can talk about these places. So Kunal, since Sona mentioned about, like, let's say it's my dream to go to the Eiffel Tower, can you add a few more points over here? Kunal, can you hear me?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
So we can write like, as you know, that it was my dream to visit Eiffel Tower and the ABC Museum in Paris. So I would like to inform you that I would like to visit these places during my visit.
Let's change it a little bit. Instead of saying it's been my dream to go to the Eiffel Tower, why don't we say something like this, that, Eiffel Tower has been one of the places that I want on my travel bucket list. Sounds better,
Okay.
right?
Yes.
And
Yes.
along with that, I plan to see the Louvre. I plan to go to Hauptbahnhof in Germany. You can talk about these places, and maybe, like, see the lovely sites in Amsterdam, visit the gardens as well over there. You can talk about these things. So I plan to go to these interesting places. All right. You can obviously, you don't have to
Okay.
do three countries. This is just an example.
Mhm.
Let's say if you want to talk about Singapore, let's say if you want to talk about Sydney. So I'm planning to come to Sydney. The places that I want to go to is the Opera House. I want to go to Gold Coast. I want to go to these places. You can talk about those in your in your plan. That will be the second bullet point. Okay, so that will come in your second paragraph.
Okay.
Okay. All right. And then we can jump into the third bullet point. Now, since this person is there, you can ask them for suggestions. Harpreet, how would you ask for suggestions over here? Harpreet, are you there? Okay, I think he's having a headphone issue. What about you, Priyank? Any suggestions for the third bullet point that you want to add?
So I would be saying here that I have an interest in history. So I would like to visit few museums and
You're asking for suggestions, right?
yeah, so I am asking him to suggest me few museums where I can learn about the history of that particular place.
So like in this case where I mentioned that I want to go to the Louvre, it's one of the biggest museums in Paris, right? So you can say
Yeah.
that, hey, so you can say as as you've been living in Paris for the last 20 odd years, the only museum, as you know, that I'm super interested in art and history, the only museum that I have researched and I know about is the Louvre. I was hoping you could tell me some more interesting places where I could go and see some of the art, some of the sculptures that have been made during the Renaissance period or something like that. You can talk about that here. Or let's say if someone,
Or I can talk about food.
yeah, of course, you can say, as I'm
That's the
someone
good point
who's
to
very
elaborate.
passionate about food and likes to try new cuisines, could you suggest some good restaurants that I could go to in all of these three countries if you know of any? That's a good point. Really nice, Priyank. That's a very interesting point that you made. And then you can give your closing salutation, hoping to hear from you soon. Looking forward to your response, can be looking forward to get exciting suggestions from you. You could do that. And then you can close it by saying cheers. Let me just write this down for you. Here you can do hoping to get amazing suggestions from you. You can close by adding cheers, or you can do best wishes. And then you can do your first name or you can do your full name over here as well. I would just give my first name, Vivian. Okay. Any questions on this structure?
No, sir.
Okay, cool. Kunal, Harpreet, Love, any questions on the structure?
No, sir, it's fine.
All right, cool. So I'm going to stop recording.